You're watching Local News Durango. I'm Deborah Uroda. A Santa Fe-based company has invented a new material that promises to cut the cost of road construction by more than 75% while producing roads that are stronger and last longer. Archuleta County became the first county in southwest Colorado to try the new technology when it repaved a mile of failing road in a local subdivision in September. The material is called LithTech, and it was created by Lithified Technologies as a more environmentally sustainable, longer-lasting road material than traditional gravel, asphalt, or concrete road construction. LithTech contains a proprietary mix of cement materials and naturally occurring chemicals that's mixed with traditional road-based materials to create a rock-solid foundation that has more than 6,000 times the strength of untreated base course. Because the LithTech foundation is stronger, it requires 60 to 80% less asphalt than a typical paved road. And less expensive chip and seal roads that typically last about 5 years have the strength and performance of paved roads that last longer.
We have an unusual characteristic of strength and flex, and it's hydrophobic, it's water resistant. And to have all of those things come together is not been done before. We are putting so much strength into the foundation of the road that an asphalt highway that would be 6, 8, 10 inches thick could go to 2 inches. And you save all of that money in the asphalt, and you're moving the structural credits, the strength, into the foundation of the road, and that is called value engineering. And that's a way that we are saving the end users a tremendous amount of money.
Sherwin and his team of engineers and scientists developed the LithTech additive in 2011. At the time, Sherwin was a developer who was building a green community in the Santa Fe area, and he couldn't find environmentally friendly road materials that performed and lasted the way he wanted. LithTech is made with the same naturally occurring chemicals that turn sand into rock over time in a process called lithification. Rather than taking tens of thousands of years to solidify, LithTech turns into a rock-solid foundation in 24 hours. The mixture has passed EPA testing procedures and does not leach any harmful chemicals into the ground. In addition, the existing road surface can be reused and mixed with LithTech to further reduce the impact on the environment and on construction and maintenance costs. Archuleta County engineer Bob Perry says the LithTech material will allow the county to do 3 times the work on its road system than is currently able to do. In September, Archuleta County repaved a mile of road using the LithTech base and chip and seal top at a cost of $350,000. Last year, a similar mile-long repaving project using traditional materials cost the county $1.3 million. The county's road construction and maintenance budget is about $2.5 million, and that barely touches the more than 300 miles of roads that the county maintains.
So to give us a lot more flexibility in what we're going to be able to do.
Good roads that last a long time not only save taxpayers money and wear and tear on their cars, good roads can change lives, literally, as they have on the Navajo Nation, where caliche and sand roads turn into impassable rivers of muck and mud when it rains or snows.
Another application you ask other customers, the Navajo Nation has done roads with us, and their cost for base course is $400,000 a mile, and their cost for asphalt is between $2 and $3 million a mile. And it's because they're so remote. Instead of $400,000 a mile, they can have an all-weather look and act like asphalt surface for $300,000 a mile, and it can change the lives of all the people that are on that. For the counties that have been struggling with budgets, and every single county has more roads that need work than budget.
If you'd like to know more about Lithified Technologies, visit the website at lithifiedtechus.com. Thanks for watching this edition of Local News Durango. You can find this and other local news network stories on durangotv.com, where you can sign up for daily news stories delivered to your inbox. You can also catch us on Durango Cable Channel 15 or on our digital network at various locations around town. I'm Deborah Uroda for Local News Durango.